Instagram now lets everyone add clickable links via the link sticker. No 10K followers required. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a link to story using the new sticker. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now make sure to log into your account, then tap on the Your Story option. Simply select a photo or video from your gallery. Now you want to tap on the sticker icon. Here you will have the option of link, tap on that. Now go ahead and paste in the URL on this box. Now you can also add a customized sticker text. For that, tap on this option. Now go ahead and type in the sticker text. Once that is done, tap on the done option. Now it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and tap on the Your Story option. Now people who will view your story will easily be able to click on that sticker link and access that URL. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.